Right, this experiment is entitled Sliding on Surfaces. You're going to carry out an investigation to see what type of surface allows a metal disc to slide over it by the shortest and furthest distance. We've got a ramp, this yellow thing here, and we're going to put the disc at a certain height on that ramp and allow that disc to fly down and move over different types. In the diagram, or sorry, in the picture, you can see this surface here, that's corkboard, purple carpet, green carpet, and corrugated wavy paper. There you can see it, just about, you can see it's wavy, it's nice and wavy. Okay, which of those surfaces do you think the metal disc will travel the shortest amount of distance on and the furthest amount of distance on? We'll use the purple carpet. We'll put the disc at the same spot every time, and we allow the disc to travel down the ramp, and we would then measure the distance that that disc has travelled using a ruler. And I'd go from the edge of the carpet to the edge of the disc, and I've got that distance there at 3.9 centimetres. For every type of surface, you'd be repeating this experiment 3 times in order to get an average. That makes our results slightly, well, they do make them more repeatable.